Hello students, so today we are going to discuss the important topics from the chapter moving charges and magnetism. So these are the important topics for this chapter. So I have noted down these topics, so you can note it down, which are very important for your board exam. So the first topic which is important is Biot-Savart's law. So as you can see, in Biot-Savart's law, they ask for the definition of the Biot-Savart's law along with the mathematical equation, the expression. So the next, under this topic Biot-Savart law, they ask for the application of Biot-Savart's law. So you'll have to study its application. Okay, so this includes magnetic field due to current carrying loop. So the magnetic field due to it's a derivation. You'll have to study the derivation, the magnetic field due to current carrying loop. The next topic which is important is Ampere's circuital law. Ampere's circuital law, its definition along with the mathematical expression. So likewise as Biot-Savart's law, in Ampere's circuital law also you'll have to study its application. It includes the magnetic field due to a solenoid. So the third topic you can see is the topic force due to magnetic field on a charged particle. Okay, it's the force which includes the magnetic field, the force due to magnetic field and the force due to electric field. So the combination of both the fields includes the force in a charged particle. Okay, this is the expression, which is F is equal to Fp plus Fe is equal to Q into F vector into B vector plus QE. So the next topic which is important is cyclotron. Okay, so here is the topic cyclotron. It includes the velocity selector and the cyclotron frequency, which is F is equal to QB divided by 2 pi m. Okay, and you can also study this topic, force on current carrying wires, which is also important. Yeah, this is you can study this topic. Even this topic is a important topic. Okay, in this topic what you'll have to study is the force between two straight long wires, the force experienced by a wire due to current carrying on the another wire. In the same way, the force experienced by the other wire due to the current carrying in the first wire. Okay, the force experienced by both the wires. So the next topic, let us come to the next topic. So the next topic which is important is gyromagnetic ratio of Bohr's magnetron. Gyromagnetic ratio of Bohr's magnetron. And the eighth topic is moving coil galvanometer, which is a very important topic. It includes its principle and working. Okay, so you can note these topics so that you can revise before exam, and you can study this topic easily. The another topic which is important is magnetic dipole and magnetic field. Magnetic dipole and magnetic field intensity due to magnetic dipole. Magnetic field intensity due to magnetic dipole. Okay, the magnetic dipole comes for nearly 2 marks. The other is the magnetic field intensity due to this dipole, which comes for nearly 3 marks. Okay, the 10th topic which is important is Earth's magnetic field and magnetic elements. It's a very important topic. It's nearly for 2 marks. Okay, so the 11th topic which is the distinction of paramagnetic, diamagnetic and ferromagnetic substances. Its example, okay, along with the difference between the paramagnetic, diamagnetic and ferromagnetic substances. So here are some of the important topics from this chapter. So thank you students.